finance niche has one of the highest RPM on YouTube. Through 3D illustrations and AI-generated A-roll, you can create viral videos for free that can get a lot of views. If you're serious about starting a YouTube channel, you should get a pre-monetized YouTube account from there. They sell 100% safe monetized YouTube accounts. Let's start the video. Open Claude.ai. Ask it to give you some ideas for short finance videos. You can pick one from there or come up with something new. Copy the idea that you like, paste it into chat, and ask it to give you short script for this video in paragraph format. Once you have the script, ask Claude, for each line give me a detailed prompt to generate 3D animated illustration video. Each prompt should be well detailed. Now you'll get prompts for each line, but we'll use them as B-roll. We still need to generate A-roll. Copy the script. You can only generate voiceover and skip A-roll if you want. Open Google Vids and start a new video. As you can see in Vids, you can generate AI avatar. At right side, you can see avatar option. Click on Change to choose an avatar. After that, paste your script there. Click on Preview, and it will generate a voiceover.
You've been saving your whole life, and that's actually making you poorer. Here's why. Inflation.
If audio is okay, hit Generate, and it will generate the avatar video. The avatar is generated.
You've been saving your whole life, and that's actually making you poorer. Here's why. Inflation is silently eating your money every year.
If you're okay with it, click on File, and from there you can download it. Now let's generate the videos of each line. For this you have two options. Copy the prompt. First option is Flow. Create a new project. At bottom, switch to Video, adjust the settings. Paste the prompt, and hit Generate. Second option is Google Vids. Here VO is also integrated. Just paste the prompt. There's no other settings. Just hit Generate. Flow's video is ready. You can download it easily. Google Vids video is also ready. But there's no option to download it. Right-click on mouse and open it in a new tab, and it will start downloading. In the same way, you have to generate all the videos. Here I've generated all the videos. Open any video editing software like CapCut. Drag and drop all the files. Click on Sort and select Time Created. Then drag them to the timeline. Select the B-roll and move them to the upper timeline. Now adjust the videos according to the voice. Once it's done, it will look like this. Now play the video and remove some B-roll parts so the avatar can be shown between the video. Your video is almost ready. Just generate captions. Then choose a template.
You've been saving your whole life, and that's actually making you poorer. Here's why. Inflation is silently eating your money every year. If inflation runs at 6% and your bank pays you 2%, you're losing 4% of your purchasing power annually. Your balance looks the same, but it buys less and less each year. And you're missing out on compound growth, where your returns earn their own returns. Leave 500,000 rupees uninvested for 20 years, and you've lost not just money, but decades of growth that could have multiplied it several times over. The worst part, it doesn't feel dangerous. No crash, no alarm, just a slow, quiet drain, until one day you realize your savings aren't enough. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to start. The longer you wait, the more you lose.